Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're gonna show you this Fanuc motor. It's a huge 220 motor. Just a motor, it's not a servo motor, it's just a motor, plain motor. Has signs of, like, maybe was used as a for a refrigerant pump, something like that. This still have bearings here, and look, they look in really good shape, very smooth. There's some coolant still here. Sometimes the coolant, it looks like rust, but actually no, it's coolant. In the cover, we have also some coolant. So it looks like an IP54 motor for 220. We're gonna try to run it. So I gotta be sure that my circuit breaker. This is kind of a small circuit breaker. It might trigger because the amps are high. Let's see. For now, if we can. Let's see. Try to put my camera here. Where can I put the camera? Right there. Okay. I'm gonna hold it and wait what happens. Okay. Oh boy. A lot of force. Okay. And you can start going. Okay. Now it works. No problem anywhere. And that's how I'm going to show you. Okay. And thank you for looking.